Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will walk you through how to apply for a loan from Lloyds Bank in 2025 step by step. Whether it's for a car, home improvements or debit consolidation, this guide will help you apply quickly and easily. Let's get started. Now here you can see on my screen I have opened lloydsbank.com websites, and you can see this and the types of loan Lloyds offers. Then before we apply, here's what Lloyds Bank offers: personal loans for any purpose, car loans for, now you can see this, the here you can see this car loans for to buy a new car or used car, debit consolidation loans to merge multiple debates, and loan among energy efficiency home loan, home improvement loans, holiday loans, wedding loans. So loan amount range from 1,000 to 50,000, and repayment terms go up to 7 years. So all the informations are given here. So now I can click on loans. Here you can see this, the check eligibility first. So now you can scroll down, and here you can see this, to you must be 18 or older, a UK resident, and have a Lloyds Bank account. Then be a UK resident except for Channel Island and the Isle of Man. Then have held a Lloyds Bank current account for at least 1 month. So it won't affect your credit score and shows what you are likely to get approved for. So apply online or via apps. Then step, here's how to do it online. So on desktop or mobile, you can go to search the lloydsbank.com websites and log into your account. Then go to products, loans, or apply. So here you can see this car loans, how our car loans works, grow between 1,000 to 50,000 over 1 to 7 years. Then if approved, the money could be in your account the same days, 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. or before 9 a.m. the next working day. Then it's easy to keep track of your loan using online banking or the mobile banking apps. You can also phone you or visit us in branch. Then apply for a car loan. How to apply for a car loan? You need to be age 18 or older. Then all the informations are given there, and the things to consideration. Then good to know, here you can see all the informations are given in websites. So personal details, when you verify and submitted address, then go to, here you can see this. Then income and employment status. If you are a pre-approved, Leland may offer a pre-filled application. Just double check it and tap submit. If further checks are needed, they might ask for payslip, ID documents, bank statement, rare for existing customers. Here you can see this loan, existing customers, home improvement loan, car loan, debit card, holiday loan, wedding. Then you can see this, what can we help you with. Scroll down and borrowing money. So when will I get the money? Once approved. If you are Lloyds current account holder, funds are usually sent same days or within 24 hours. You will get a confirmation email or message in your online banking. Non-customers may need to wait a few more days for processing. Then you can repay early without penalty in most cases. then set up direct debit to avoid missing payments. You can also manage your loan in the apps, check your balance, make extra payments, or change the data. If your application is rejected, check your credit card score or clear score or experience, and try borrowing a smaller amount to repaying over a longer term, or talk to a loan advisor or personalized help. And that's it, you know how to get the loans. And hope you are enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channels.